Assalamu alaikum to everyone who is watching this video lecture. This is Vakar from Cameron International Science College at Talagam. Welcome to all the students in classroom training video lecture. I hope you would be fine and you would have prepared all the lecture whether they were delivered by me or Sir Mumtaz. Dear student, in previous lecture I was talking about a part of speech which is an important part of speech and which is known as the name of noun. So in previous lecture I have introduced you about the introduction of noun, that what is the noun or what is the intro of the noun or what is the introduction of noun. You have already covered the intro of the noun. So right now in this lecture you are going to learn about the types or kinds of a noun, that how many kinds or types of a noun and in what situation these types are used or these types are indicated. So right now in this lecture you are going to learn about the first type, which is known as the name of proper noun. In this lecture you are going to be taught about the proper noun and common noun. These two terms are very important regarding the topic of noun. In previous lecture when I was talking about the noun, I had mentioned many examples in that lecture and you have already covered those examples. So right now in this lecture you would be able to indicate that what type of example was that. ठीक है, वो किस तरह की एग्जाम्पल थी, वो नाउन की किस कैटेगरी में, इन विच टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी दैट एग्जाम्पल वुड बी टेकन, उसको किसके अंदर जो है वो लिया जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर गोइंग टू learn about the definition. It is a very simple definition, no need to feel panic, just simple definition. A noun which represent, एक ऐसा नाम जो कि क्या करता है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है, नुमाइंदगी करता है, बताता है, डिस्क्राइब करता है. अ पर्टिकुलर मीन मखसूस, स्पेसिफिक, मखसूस यानी खास, पर्सन शख्स को, प्लेस जगह को, और थिंग इज कॉल्ड अ प्रॉपर नाउन. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट some specific person, place or thing. There is no a common man, a common person, a common place, a common thing. We are talking about a specific thing, a specific person or a specific place. We are not going to explain about the common things, common person and common places. So dear student, in proper noun you are bound to write those names which are pronounced properly, which are used properly. So in this lecture you are going to know about the psyche of the proper noun. With the help of example you would be able to define in effective manner. Aslam is a nice boy. Here we are talking about Aslam. Aslam is a noun. But you cannot call every person as Aslam. You can just call Aslam to Aslam. You cannot call me as Aslam. I cannot call you as Aslam, because every person cannot be called as the name of the Aslam. Aslam is just Aslam. So this word or this name will only be pronounced for Aslam. तो यहाँ पे ये लफ्ज़ असलम सिर्फ असलम के लिए इस्तेमाल होगा. अब हर एक को असलम नहीं कह सकते. इट मीन इट इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर नाउन. सो ये स्पेसिफिक है, तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे कि ये कौन सा नाउन है. इट इज़ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. तो ये आपका क्या बन गया, प्रॉपर नाउन है. हेयर आई टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल. पाकिस्तान इज माई बिलव्ड कंट्री. पाकिस्तान मेरा प्यारा वतन है. अब देखिए, यू कैन नॉट कॉल एवरी कंट्री एज पाकिस्तान. You are just going to say Pakistan to only Pakistan. Every country cannot be called Pakistan by anyone. सिर्फ पाकिस्तान ही पाकिस्तान, हर एक को आप पाकिस्तान नहीं कह सकते. यू कैन नॉट कॉल एवरी कंट्री एज इंडिया, एज इंग्लैंड, एज ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एज ऑस्ट्रिया, एज बांग्लादेश. यू कैन नॉट से, यू कैन जस्ट कॉल पाकिस्तान एज पाकिस्तान. तो यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान आपका क्या है, ये नाउन है. और ये कौन सा नाउन है? इट इज़ आल्सो अ प्रॉपर नाउन. ये एक प्लेस को इंडिकेट कर रहा है. इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड, इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग अ पर्सन एंड इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटिंग a place. So Pakistan and Aslam are proper noun because these nouns are specific for some person or place. ये किसी शख्स के लिए या किसी जगह के लिए क्या है, मुख्तसर. You can take a screenshot. I hope you would have taken screenshot. So let's take some more example. Which are related to proper noun. Ali is my friend. अली मेरा दोस्त है. यहाँ पे देखिए, the word Ali cannot be used for every person. You cannot call every person Ali. You can only just call Ali to Ali. सिर्फ अली को आप अली कह सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम इसको हम क्या लेंगे? It means the name which cannot be given to everyone. ऐसा नाम जो हर एक को नहीं दिया जा सकता. The name which cannot be given to every person, every place, everything. That particular or specific noun will be included in proper noun. उसको हम क्या करेंगे? proper noun के अंदर शामिल करेंगे. Karachi is a large city. So here Karachi, you cannot call every city as a Karachi of the world. आप हर शहर को कराची नहीं कह सकते. और you cannot given this name to every city of the world. हर जो शहर है उसको आप उसको कराची दुनिया का नहीं कह सकते. You can just say Karachi as Karachi. You can just call Karachi as Karachi. So Karachi is specific, so it will be taken as proper noun. So right now I am going to explain the another type which is also an important and it is easy to understand. ये कदरे आसान है समझने के अंदर. And the named common noun. What it means? Common means common. The noun which can be given to anyone. The noun which represent to every person, every place. यानी यहाँ पे हम बहुत सारों के लिए भी एक लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. अब इसकी डेफिनेशन देखिए, खुद बनाते हैं, कोशिश करते हैं सिंपल अंदाज में. A noun which can be given to anyone, इसको आप ऐसे कर लें, any place. A noun which can be given to any person, place or thing is called a common. एक ऐसा नाम जो किसी आप शख्स, जगह या चीज़ के लिए सेम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? उसको हम कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, इसकी डेफिनेशन कर लें, फिर मज़ीद इसकी एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. I hope you would have taken a screenshot. Dear student, as you know that I am not doing the process of study in quick manner. I am moving towards the topic day by day as studying one by one, because it will be beneficial for you. You would be able to understand in effective manner. If I increase my speed in the process of study, then there will be a lot of problem for you. So dear student, stay with me. Don't stay here and there. Don't away from the topic. Example number 1. Tipu Sultan was a brave king. So here king is a noun and Tipu Sultan is also noun. So this name cannot be given to everyone. So it will be proper noun. But you can call king to every king of the every country. हर मुल्क के बादशाह को आप किंग कह सकते हैं. तो ये आपका क्या बन गया? ये दिस इज अ कॉमन नाउन. ये हर एक को आप कह सकते हैं. जो भी किंग है सबको आप क्या कह सकते हैं? किंग कह सकते हैं. Here, let's take another example. He is a nice boy. अब यहां पे देखें boy. Every boy can be called boy. हर boy को आप क्या है? हर लड़के को आप लड़का ही कह सकते हो. तो it is taken as common noun. तो देख सकते हैं इन दोनों एग्जाम्पल के अंदर हमने किंग लिया. आप पार्क कर लें, आप जो भी इस तरह के नाम जितने भी हैं, यू कैन टेक दिस नाउन एज अ कॉमन नाउन. पार्क है, चेयर है, रूम है, all these nouns can be taken as common noun because these names are not specific. These names can be given to any person, any place, anything. So dear student, I hope you would have prepared, you would be able to prepare the whole lecture which have been delivered by me. Take care of yourself and your family. Stay with me in upcoming days, in upcoming lecture. Allah Hafiz. Bye.